Good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. My name is Kefentse Mothusi. I am a student at Botswana Accountancy College studying business intelligence and data analytics. And let me just go back to the day I discovered Dask as a package for Python. During my internship, which was a couple of months ago, I got tasked with a very large data file to analyze. And for the first time in my life, I ran into a out of memory error. So that was very unusual because most of my schoolwork was done with files that fit comfortably into memory, and I could just load everything into my data frames, my arrays. But now, when I started to really get dirty with real life data that superseded my computational powers, I ran into some problems. Then it was time to do some research on how I could go around that without necessarily having to buy packages, staying within the free and open source community. And it was at that time that a hero arose. It was Dask. And one of the things I feel Dask is greatly underrated for is how it can enable one to perform powerful computations whilst using what some may say is a lower end PC. It kind of takes away the barriers to entry for machine learning and data analysis. Now, I really don't want to reiterate on what it is, but as you can see, Dask is a flexible library for parallel computing and Python. This allows us to easily scale out clusters and handle big data. And that was basically how I used it. And how it achieves this, one of the most fascinating about it is lazy computing, lazy evaluation, in which you only get to call the variables when you compute them, and therefore you get to manage your memory better. And the whole memory management idea is the one that enables for someone maybe to be running 16 Gs of RAM like I do to be able to work on data sets that are larger than that. And the second one is of chunks, clusters, basically breaking down the data. I don't want to say data frame, but the data into chunks that could actually be scheduled and called when they're needed and properly indexed instead of just loading the whole thing. Then if you properly index it, then you can get the parts you need when you need them, and you are able to do more with less. I had a very short talk. That's about it. Thank you.